Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin, a complete troubleshooting solution for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to fix Windows Update error 0x80070bc2. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. This Windows Update error code usually appears on Windows 10 running computers, but seeing it on Windows 7 and 8 is nothing strange. It appears after the update has been downloaded when it's supposed to be installed. However, users appear to fail into an endless loop to restart or occurrences of this error and the error remains. Windows users have suggested various methods which can be used when troubleshooting this problem, and we highly recommended you check them out. Now I am going to show you two types of solution which may solve your issue. Click on search, type troubleshoot, click on troubleshoot settings, click on additional troubleshooters. Look, this is Windows Update. Click on Windows Update and now click on Run Troubleshoot. Troubleshooting has been started. Okay, troubleshooting close. Troubleshooting could not identify the problem. Okay, close. Click on close and close this window. If this process fixes your issue, just restart your computer. And after restarting your computer, hope your problem has been solved. If your problem is still persist, you have to go for second solution. Now I'm going to show you second solution. In search type CMD. Right click on command prompt and click on run as administrator. Command prompt has been opened as administrator. Now you have to execute some commands here. scconfig wsua acrv Windows Update Service start equal to auto. I will give all these commands in description. You can use these commands from there. Now hit enter. The change service config success. Now I am going to run for second command. scconfig bits start equal to auto. Now hit enter. The change service config success. Now I am going to run for third command. scconfig crypt svc, that means cryptography service start equal to auto. Hit enter. The change service config success. Now I am going to run the last command, scconfig trusted installers start equal to auto. Now hit enter. The change service config success. Okay, now close command prompt. Now you must restart your computer. Click on start menu, click on power and click on restart. After restarting your computer, hope your problem has been solved. Now I am going to check the Windows update status. In search type update. Look, check for update. Click here. Look, there are many updates are here. You can install your required update. You can update your computer by clicking on update now button. Click here. Look, the installation has been started. Okay, now close this window. I am not going to update these issues. Close this window. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.